Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to withdraw your coin from the KuCoin exchange to an external wallet. So right here, you have to follow me to the end. So once you're on KuCoin wallet, all you need to do is to click on assets at the bottom page of this particular app right here. So once you click on assets, you would see deposit, withdrawal and transfer. So if your currency is in your trading account, you need to transfer it from your trading account to your main account for you to be able to withdraw. So for you to transfer, you need to do is to click on transfer right here. You can see transfer right here. Let me show it to you right here. So once you click on transfer, you can transfer from any account. So you can see EGLD. Let me click on EGLD. So you can transfer from your main account to your trading account, or from your trading account to your main account. For you to toggle between that, this is what you need to click on. So once you click on that, you can see I don't have any amount left in my trading account, and I have some money in my main account. So for me to withdraw, I have to transfer from my trading account to my main account. So since I've already done that, once you do that, you click on confirm. So since I've already done that, all I need to do is to click on withdraw right here. So what am I withdrawing? I'm withdrawing EGLD. So for me to withdraw EGLD, you can see the fee is 0.01 EGLD. The fee is quite high. So all I need to do is to paste my address here, the address, then choose the network. This applies to every other token, but in my own case, instead of pasting my address, I would just scan the EGLD address that I want to send to. So let me click on scan and allow. So it automatically detects it. So all I need to do is to click on maximum. So once I click on maximum, I can enter any remark right here. Then all I need to do next is to confirm. So you can see, please confirm the withdrawal information to prevent malicious external software tampering. Then I go ahead to click on confirm. So after confirming, all I need to do is to input my trading password. It might not really be displayed, so I will just input my trading password. So once I input my trading task password, it's going to ask me for a verification code, of which I'll click send. And once they send the verification code, I would need to enter the code. Once I enter the code shouldn't be shared. So once I enter the code, I would need to then click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, it should take me back to the page, and you can see withdrawal success. So if I go back to check my accounts, check my assets, click on main, you can see I don't have any EGLD, any eGold again. So all I need to do is to go to my particular wallet where I transferred the eGold to. Then I'll use it to confirm if the eGold has been sent. So guys, that's basically how to withdraw any currency from KuCoin exchange. I hope this video has helped you. Please do well to give this channel a subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So once you've placed the withdrawal request, for you to confirm your withdrawal, all you need to do is to click on withdraw at the top. Once you click on withdraw at the top, click on the token that you withdrew. Once you click on the token, go to history at the top right corner right here. So once you go to history, then you will see right now it is processing. So you can see the amount and the fee. It is processing. So that's about $19 worth of EGLD, and the fee is the fee is quite much. The fee is like 20% of the whole transaction. So it's going to load, then you're going to see it's processing to take some time before it reflects on my wallet. So once it says processed, then once it says processed, then you know that you are good to go. So guys, that's it about this video, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to turn on notification, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any question for me, or you want me to make a video about anything cryptocurrency or make money online, you can drop a request in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.